How do you send bulk emails? If you're still BCCing contacts one by one, there's a much simpler and faster way to do this. Sync your email client to OnePage CRM, select your contacts, and hit send. It's both a faster and more organized way to send bulk emails. There's no typing or copy pasting involved, and emails are grouped under each contact separately instead of being scattered all over your inbox. A key reason for this being super fast is the use of templates, which have variable fields that are filled out automatically. The preview mode lets you make any further edits just in case you missed anything. Like here, we don't want to shout, so let me correct this. I'm now ready to send this blast straight away or schedule it for later. I can also track each email to see when somebody opened it and how many times. And once they reply, I'll get notified, so the communication flows without interruption or delays.